Hey friend, today I will discuss about best motorcycle accident lawyer in USA. It is difficult to determine the best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA as it depends on several factors such as specific case, location and personal preference. Some ways to find a good motorcycle accident lawyer include: check their experience and track record with motorcycle accident case. Look for a lawyer who is familiar with the local laws and regulation related to motorcycle accident. Read review and rating from previous client. Consider the lawyer's communication skill, ability, and level of customer service. Make sure the lawyer is licensed to practice law in your state. Look for a lawyer who has a good reputation in the legal community and in all respect by other lawyers and judges. Check if the lawyer is a member of any professional organization such as the American Society for Justice and the National Trial Lawyer. Determine how the lawyer plan to handle your case and what their strategy is for obtaining a favorable outcome. Consider the lawyer fees and payment structure and make sure you understand all the costs involved in the case. Look for a lawyer who is accessible and responsive and who will keep you informed throughout the process. Look for a lawyer who has a thorough understanding for motorcycle laws and regulation as well as the unique challenges faced by motorcycle rider. Check if the lawyer has experience working with insurance companies and negotiating settlement as that can be critical in getting you the compensation you deserve. Consider the size of the law firm and the resource it has available to handle your case. A large firm may have more experience and resource, but a smaller firm may be more personal and responsive. Look for a lawyer who is a passionate about protection and right of motorcycle rider and who is committed and getting the best outcome for their client. Make sure lawyer is approachable and willing to answer your question and address your concern throughout the process. Ultimately, the most important factor and choosing a motorcycle accident lawyer is to find someone who you feel confident in and who was believe will work tirelessly to get you the compensation to you deserve. Motorcycle accident in USA. Motorcycle accidents are a common occurrence in United States and can result in serious injury or death. The case of motorcycle accident can be varieties and including factors such as reckless and negligent driving, vehicle, and weather. It's important for rider to take safety precautions such as wearing protective or regular maintaining their vehicles and staying alert while on the road. If involved in a motorcycle accident, it is recommended to seek medical attention, contact and authorities, and gather evidence and sense of support any insurance client or legal action. Terrorists. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there are over 4,000 motorcycle fatalities in the United States in 2020. Motorcycles are over represented in the traffic fatality according for 4/10 of all traffic deaths, despite only representing 3% of registered vehicles. Protective gear. Wearing protective gear such as helmet, gloves, and studding clothes can generally reduce the risk of injury in event a motorcycle accident. In some states, helmet use is required by law, while in others it is optional. Liability. In the event of motorcycle accident, liability can be determined by determining who was at fault for the accident. This can be based on factors such as reckless driving, road design, vehicles, and more. In some cases, multiple parties may be found to be liable for an accident. Legal action. If you have involved in a motorcycle accident and have suffered injury or damage, you have to able to take legal action to recover compensation. This can include filing a personal injury lawsuit, settings in insurance company, or pursuing compensation through others means. Here are many document of motorcycle accident. I think you must read it in last topic, compensation. If you have involved in a motorcycle accident and have suffered injury or damage, you may be entitled entitled to compensation. This can include medicine expension, loss, waste, property damage, and compensation of pain and suffering. An attorney who specializes in motorcycle accident can help you understand your rights and assets. You in pursuing compensation.